Hello, everyone. Welcome to Popcorn by Axis Direct, a podcast that simplifies the world of investing for you.
Popcorn.
Let's know how the market is looking today as we bring you the trade setup through the daily morning note. Starting with the overview of the markets. Asian markets are trading in the green despite soft cues from Wall Street over the weekend. Nikkei is trading higher by 0.36%. Hang Seng is trading higher by 1.05% and Shanghai is trading flattish. Indian indices are expected to open higher. SGX Nifty was trading higher by 0.6%. Nifty started the week on a negative note but witnessed buying at lower levels to end the week on a positive note. Nifty closed at 17,853 with a gain of 268 points on a weekly basis. Nifty futures closed at 17,854 on a positive note with a 2.06% decrease in the open interest indicating short covering. Nifty futures closed at a discount of 10 points compared to the previous day discount of 12 points. Now, let's jump to the market news. NTPC has bagged 1.9 gigawatts solar projects in the Central Public Sector Undertaking Scheme 2 tender. With this, NTPC now has over 6.3 gigawatts capacity won through competitive biddings. Orient Cement to explore setting up of cement grinding unit at Tiroda, Maharashtra. And NBCC India has won a contract for social housing in Maldives with the project cost at $130 million. Moving ahead, here are the technical picks for the day. Varun Beverages Limited with buy above at 942, stop loss at 932 and the target price is between 952 to 965. And Lupin Limited with sell below at 922, stop loss at 931 and the target price is between 912 to 902. And finally, let's have a look at the stock futures. Astral Limited, Larsen & Toubro Infotech Limited, Mindtree Limited and Bharti Airtel Limited fall under long build-up, whereas Coromandel International Limited, AU Small Finance Bank Limited, Metropolis Healthcare Limited and Sun TV Network Limited fall under short build-up. That's it for today. We will see you back tomorrow morning with fresh updates of the market right here at Popcorn by Axis Direct. Till then, happy trading.
Popcorn.
Stay on top of your investments with Axis Direct. Through powerful research, advanced tools, and multiple trading platforms, Axis Direct offers simplified solutions for all your investment needs. Log on to axisdirect.in to start your investment journey with us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.